Ross.
And Mr. Cole.
We're back solving equations. What do we have today?
Right, so we've got equations with the unknowns, the x values on both sides of our equation. So the first thing I like to do is just keep the equals lined up. I'm going to have to get a pen first. Oh, I'm going to have to, do I need to move this back?
Perfect, nice, all right.
Equals. Okay, so what do you like to deal with first?
I always like to bring the x's together, is what I like to do. So to do that, I typically am going to subtract 3x from both sides of the equation.
Okay, yep, that's just what I would do. So 4x is on one side, 3x is on the other side. So if we get, why is that not writing in that corner?
I don't know.
Minus 3x's. Minus 3x's. And we get x add 2 equals 5.
Okay.
All right.
I like your form here, keeping that equal sign down the center, a really pretty form there. And so now the next thing we have to do to get x all by itself, we'd have to subtract 2 from both sides of the equation.
Okay, and we'll get a 3. I'm going to put let's put this on here as well. It's nice if you do this in another colour, but I haven't.
There we go.
Maybe I will for the next one.
All right, let's see how savvy he can be on the next example. Like the equal sign going down the center of the column.
Okay, how are we going to get our x's onto one side this time?
Okay, as opposed to subtracting 3x, let's add 3x to both sides.
Okay, so we keep it positive.
Yep.
So we're going to end up with 7x minus 4 equals 10, and I'm going to show it really nicely.
Right. Could I have subtracted 4x? Would that have been okay?
Yeah, that would have been fine. You'd end up with negative 7x, and then you just have to deal a little bit more with negative numbers.
Right,
so if you get a choice, best to get them positive, I always think.
I think so too.
So we've added 3x's to both sides.
All right, in the next step, I think we're going to try and add 4 to both sides.
4x equals, there we go. And this is one that works out nicely.
Divide both sides by 7, and we get x to be 2.
2, let's just show our method here. So what do? We added 4 to both sides.
Yep. And divide by 7.
Oops.
Oh, by a 7.
Good thing.
There we go.
There you go. I can't multitask. Right and think. It's not working.
So you should go now to there's a few on your notes there. If we just
Let's just show you.
There's
these
4
ones.
there that we want you to try and do yourselves, and put your answer onto the Google Docs forum that you should have on your laptop sent you somehow, some way that we'll figure out how it goes.
Okay. Remember, these ones need to be expanded out before you can start. But we've done loads of them, haven't we?
All right. So you get 10x plus 6. Oh, a spoiler, perhaps a spoiler.
Don't give it away.